Well, in a recent video we were disappointed by the Herters hollow point, so I've got the soft point version of it here. Guess we might as well try it. 154 grain, soft point. We're out here. Let's go ahead and put it into some gel. Take a closer look. Well, that is not what I expected. We can see it entered, traveled fairly straight through the first 16-inch block. It curved up a slight bit, but no expansion, and it came through and it turned and it spun. And it started curving up and it came out the top of the second block at the 27-inch mark, and then it proceeded through the air and it hit this old wet paper. And it went through quite a bit of it, and then it went out and yonder. Let's cut to the chase. Bullet, boat tail design. $154.3 grains. Powder, $22.9 grains. Case, steel, bullet, steel. This is starting to sound familiar, and I have a feeling I know where it's going. If you watch the video about the Herters hollow point, the lead separated from the jacket when it was shot. I want to take a closer look at the soft point jacket, so I'm going to try to drain it. Well, that seemed to go pretty well. Our hollowed out jacket weighs in at 32.1 grains. And our delicious lead, 122 grains, for a total of 154.1 grains. Our jacket, similar to our hollow point jacket, has a few, but not many, scores inside to assist in expansion. And the thickness on this measures out to 0.021 inches, which is right on par with the 0.023 that I measured on the hollow point. Those 0.002 of an inch difference are probably just discrepancies in my measuring. Again, this is extremely hard. I can flex it a little, but I can't bend it, reshape it with my fingers. So let's move on to the lead. So that came in at about 0.04, which probably comes out at a Brinell hardness of maybe 7.5 to 8, whereas our hollow point Herters came in at 8.5. Now I would say this is probably the exact same lead, and the difference is discrepancies in measurement, basically human error. It doesn't really matter because this stuff is either pure lead or pretty darn close. This is kind of deja vu. We've got very soft lead, so we can pretty much rule that out as being a problem. But we've got a very thick, hard steel jacket. Very hard. And it does have some light score marks inside. Again, not a lot of them. Remember our Zombie Max? This is a soft jacket, and look at the score marks inside of that. This is what performs. But what I really want to know is, what exactly does International Select Grade mean? Remember, you can click the link in the description for more information about this ammo at ammochannel.com.